Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're gonna work on getting the rear lights on the FD working, so come along. So, I think it was last week, Derek? Yeah, last weekend that we were here. We got the PDM and the R5 powered up and talking to each other. Didn't really film any of that just because it's kind of just basic stuff, but we're ready to actually start running some circuits here. So the plan is hopefully to get this stuff all working besides probably the reverse lights. We will run wires for the reverse lights, but we'll just deal with that later. First thing that we gotta do is figure out what the pinout of the tail lights is. So I got some jumper leads and we'll figure that out and then probably start running some wires. Okay, so what do we think? We think black's ground? All right, pin 1, turn signal. Pin 2, running light. And 4 should be brake. Yep.
That's reverse.
Okay. Reverse power is red.
What?
Reverse power is red. Reverse ground is black. We have to get a measurement from the PDM connector up and around, kind of where I have this one harness, down here, and all the way that we're gonna route the wire till right about here in the central middle.
Oh, there's a rock there.
We're gonna go to like right here.
Somewhere in there.
183.5, right?
We'll go to 184.
Yep.
You there?
Yep.
Don't worry, Captain.
So we're not gonna sheath any of this right now because we're gonna have to splice into the front or the running lights and the turn signals to go to the front.
Gotcha.
But we'll get it all laid out. And
sounds good to me.
Yeah. I'm gonna pin all these, put these in the ECU or the PDM, and then we'll kind of loosely run them back to here. We're gonna have to splice off back here, and we'll heat shrink some of the stuff back here right away, but otherwise.
Tell you what, let's throw that in, double check. That's what it's all about. It's about the journey. Oh yeah, you start getting excited, you know.
Mm-hmm. So we got Derek, he's running the wires. We got our inputs here. Once we get this done, I'll probably wait to put these in until we have the back stuff all wired up, and then we can hook these up. We're not actually gonna hook them up to any switches right now. We're just gonna hit them to ground because there's gonna be more wires that go over there, and we'd rather have one harness than like 18 harnesses.
So we'll probably go back. Well, this is a wiring thing there.
heat shrink that. Perfect. So we got everything roughly wired here. So we need some connectors now, Derek.
Okay.
Okay, this side now. Okay. Those are quote unquote done. So we got the corner lights and stuff to do yet, but I kind of want to test it out before we go too terribly much farther. Pin 20, one is right. 18, 19, 20, 21. Right.
Okie dokie.
Device time out. You want to go on back and see if something turns on here in a second, Derek? I'm gonna try the brake lights, all right?
Better to get a good viewing angle back here.
All right, you ready? Anything?
No.
Okay. Something to do with the device timeout, I think. We were having some issues getting the PDM to turn on. Come to find out, I maybe had the CAN bus plug-in pinned out wrong in the software, but it's communicating now, so we're gonna test it all here. All right. These are gonna be the parking lights.
Hey!
Okay. This is gonna be the left turn signal.
Yep.
Right turn signal.
Yep.
And brake lights.
Yep.
Look at that.
They work.
It's almost like I kind of know what I'm
See
doing.
this light, this bulb here doesn't light up on what was it, brake or running light? Some of the dual filament must be gone on one side.
Okay, we did it. Yay.
Yay!
We still have to wire these in over here. I'm probably gonna do that here real quick. And then we have a brake light wire right here. We're gonna have to run a ground and stuff for his third brake light, but see if we can find that connector. But we have working rear brake lights and running lights and tail lights and stuff.
And stuff.
But that's where we're gonna leave this episode. So next time we'll probably work on doing the front lighting. And then after that, we'll work on the hard stuff like the windows and all his OEM features. But if you're looking forward to more FD RX7 content, make sure you subscribe and we'll see you next time.